Welcome to Emacs India. In today's era, if you want to compete at the national level through online or offline centers and provide excellent services across India, then options for taking classes have been provided on your portal by Emacs Education. So, let's talk about it. For this, firstly, you have to open Emacs India website and then click on Center Login button. When you click on Center Login button, you will receive a page of dashboard here. In dashboard option, as you can see, there is an option of GMeet Live. When you click on this option, you will receive a page where is your classes schedules are available with details. And if you want your new class schedule, you have to click on Schedule New. When you click on Schedule New option, you will receive a page where you have to fill the details of classes, just like there is an option of class title. It means the course name, which class you want to conduct now. So now you can mention, as for demo, we are mentioning here Tally with Prime. Class date, in which date you want to take the class. You can select the date and the time. The class duration, you have to mention here according to minutes. After this, you can select student that can see the classes, that can attend the classes. So for this, as you can see the options, student fees received. It means the student received fees in head office, only that student can access the classes. The second option, student fees pending. Which students fees pending in head office, only that students can access the classes, or both students can access the classes. Also you have option of selection. When you click on selection option, you also can select student to access the classes via their roll numbers and their names. You can select students from here also, and also if you want to select them according to their category, you can choose from here. You can select the category name and the complete student who are available in the same category. The whole students can access these classes. So now we are selecting for both, and then you have to mention here GMeet URL. Then in description you have to mention the course content, which classes you are conducting now. After this, you have to click on Save button. When you click on Save button, you can see here the class successfully saved now. For this, as you can see, just now we added Tally with Prime class for date 9th of August at 3 o'clock. When the time will be completed, you have to click on Start button. The classes will be start from here. Now let me show how student can access these classes. So for this, firstly you have to log in student option. When student log in their panel, there is an option of GMeet classes. When student click on GMeet classes here, they can see the classes detail with duration. When student duration will be completed of this class, they have to click on join button and they can join your classes from here. And let me tell you about the next option, Zoom classes. When you click on Zoom classes option, the same step will be follows in this option. You have to click on Schedule New option, fill the complete details, class title, class date, class duration, student selection, then description. When you click on Save button, the classes will be saved for the next class details. And same as you have to follow in Zoom meeting. The Zoom class and Zoom GMeet Live for classes, and Zoom meeting is for parents meeting or student meeting. If you want to create, then you have to click on Zoom meeting option. The same steps are follows for the same here also. Click on Schedule Now, meeting title, meeting date, meeting duration, details, selection of students, description, then Save button. The Zoom meeting class also saved here. And just like that, student instant meeting, Zoom instant meeting, if you want, then also you have to click on this option. Same steps will be followed by you. Then Zoom instant meeting also will be scheduled. So just now, if you have some issues regarding the panel at the time of these classes, you can call to our executives. They will resolve your problems. And if you have some issues regarding Zoom and Gmeet classes, you can check via YouTube videos and you can access these classes then. Just like that, so today we learn how you can access online classes, how you can provide online classes to your students via your panel. Just like that, if you have some related feedback or updates regarding your panel, please share them with us. Your feedbacks helps Emacs India get better. Thank you.